Hello everyone, my name is Ravish and welcome to my YouTube channel Ravishgola, where I share daily practice video to learn German for beginners. Today is fourth day of our learning series. In today's lesson, we will learn alphabet in German. Let's begin. Lektion-4. Das Alphabet. It means in English alphabets. So the first one is A. Apple. Apple in English, apple. So I would like to tell you there are 26 letter has been taken from English 26 letter and the 4 other letter has been added. So total 30 letters in German alphabet. Okay, so in left hand side you can see German letter and right hand side you can see pronunciation, how to call that letter in German, and we have wrote the meaning of the word in German and in English, so that you can compare how to call that, how to pronounce that, and what does that mean, and also we'll learn 30 new word in German. Okay, so Apfel, it means in English apple. Be, banana, it means banana. Say, couch. Couch, the sounds is like English same, couch. De Deutschland, it means name of the Germany in German. A elephant, it means elephant in English. F fish, this word is the same as we call in English fish. In the German we also call it is fish. G guitar, in English guitar. House, in English same, it is called house. So house pronunciation is the same in German, but the meanings or the spellings are different. E eagle, it means in English hedgehog. Yogurt, it means in English yogurt. So in English it is called J, but in German it is called as yacht. Cafe, in English coffee. L L is called same as in English L. Leave, love. If you want to call love in German, it is called as Lieb. M, also called as same as in English M. Man. In English it is called man. N, also called the same as in English N. Nagel, it means tail. O, also called as the same is in English O. Orange, in English same spelling, but the pronunciation is different. In English it is called orange, but in German it is called orange. Penguin, in English it is called penguin. Quiz, also in English it is called quiz. The same sound, same pronunciation, same spellings. R, wrote, in English it is red color, red. S, it sounds s, but in German it sounds z, zone, zone, but in English it is sun. T, T, in English it is called T. T in German is T. Uh, in English, means clock. Fowl, Vogel. In English, Vogel means bird. Be, Wolk. In English, it is cloud. It's here the same. Xylophone. In English, xylophone. Xylophone. Epsilon, yak. Also same it is called in English, yak. Set, zebra. In English, it is zebra. Spellings are same, letters are same, but pronunciation is different. These are four new letters we will learn in English. The first one is a. A means a with two umlaut. A with umlaut. So it is called a. It sounds like beer in English. The same in German, where. Where. O with umlaut, yo. Yo. It sounds oil. In English, oil. U with umlaut, you. But without umlaut, u, with umlaut, you. So how will it will give the sounds? Fume. Fume means five. It is beta sign, but it is called as set. But it sounds double S. It sounds like double S. Foos, food. So we have learned these all 30 letters. Now we are combining all the letter and let's try again whole letters. A, B, asset, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, 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 O with umlaut, yacht, P, Q, R, S, T, U, 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 Fa, V, X, Epsilon, set. So these 30 letters are alphabet of German. So if you learn these 30 letters correctly, then you will be able to understand vowels and consonants in next video. So till then, auf Wiedersehen, danke.